my name is Marietta Mehanni, and this week's Aqua Tip was inspired by Sharon Case from the Aqua Mentoring Group. And Sharon's also my wonderful assistant. She helps me out with my life. So Sharon, this is a nod to you, my friend. And what we did, or what she did, was she did it with one arm, but I went, I wonder if I can do it with a dumbbell. I've never seriously done this movement before. I'm going to show you. So both feet come up to the side and I'm pushing the dumbbell down. It's a seriously good latissimus dorsi workout, and the idea is that you don't bring the head over. You try to bring the feet up towards the dumbbell. So lift sideways. It's quite challenging. It requires a fair bit of strength, but people can just bring their feet up higher without trying to tilt the head over. It's a bit of a challenge. So that's a really good lat workout, which is so important with keeping those shoulders down. So you won't get this happening in this exercise. Then to transition to the other side, I brought the dumbbell to the front. Now, depending on the width of the bit in the middle, you can either have both hands in the center or you can hold the dumbbell foam, and we do a frog jump. So feet coming up, pushing the dumbbell down towards the feet, knees opening out wide, and you are pushing up off the bottom of the pool so that you're getting the heart rate up and getting a rebound effect. Then we go to the other side and we do the same thing here. Now, there's another arm action you can add to this, and it's with this arm. So this arm is going to go in and out with the back of the hand. So in and out as this dumbbell goes down. Have a look. And it gives you a bit more control. It also gives this hand something to do, because otherwise you're sort of trying to, and makes you cheat. This arm acts like a rudder in the water. This is good. I like it a lot. So once you've done it on one side, you've done the frog jump, you do the other side, which is so good for those obliques as well, by the way. You can put a combination together, and this is what I did. So 1, 2, 3, center. 1, 2, 3, center. It's a bit hard when you've got to hang on to the front, and this is a little slippery, this dumbbell. It's new, that's why. 1, 2, 3, center. 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 So a great little combination that you can do with the dumbbell. Now, like I said, if it's a little bit longer in the center, that transition in the middle is going to be easier. Great oblique workout, great for the lats. It's a little bit of fun. Thank you, Sharon, for the amazing inspiration, because I've never done that before. And that is this week's Aqua Tip. You have to love it when you get inspired by someone else's creativity. And I really, really like this exercise. And it sort of just opened up a whole new, you know, when something sparks an idea and you're thinking, oh, that's so clever. So this is, as I said, great lat and oblique exercise. Demonstrating it on pool deck, all you need, my friends, is a chair. That's the best part. And what you'll need to do is grip onto the chair at the side. So grip onto the chair at the side. You'll only demonstrate this action first. And remember, they're going to jump up a little bit. So try to focus on the range of motion, in that they're not going to lift their legs all the way up to the side for this particular movement pattern. They're just going to lift their legs up slightly to the side, so the arm does more work. So you don't actually have to work that hard. But gripping onto the side helps you with being able to manage your body weight, and it stops you from falling off the chair. So I grip onto the side, grip onto the back, I'm hanging onto the seat. 1, so you're moving this way. And then when you want to add this opposite arm for the demonstration, remember you want to keep the palm forward, and you've got to be very clear with the fact that they go in and out. There's no turning of the palm stays facing inwards. So as the legs go up, that's when the arm comes in. So everything moves at the same time. So it's up, up. But I would recommend you show them how to do this first, because that's easier for you to hang on. And then you can show them maybe 1 or 2 in the C position with that. And then just explain that as that arm goes down, and this is you in standing, as that arm goes down to touch the heel, and then you can lift up one heel, take the opposite arm across. It's a lot. So let me show you how I'll demonstrate on the other side. So start off by going, all right everyone, dumbbell in one hand, you grip the chair, the bottom of it, or whatever you need to do to stay stable. Bring your arm down and lift your heels up towards your arm. You should feel this in your lats and in your obliques. Now, as that arm goes down, keep the palm turned in and bring that arm across. So you want to pull that arm in as the arm goes down and as the heels come up at the same time. This is going to act like a rudder, and it will help you stay more upright. The other thing I would highly recommend that you look for is this sort of motion. It's a very different type of movement, and what you might notice with some of your participants is they will want to do it with their head rather than using their arms. And so they'll try and bring their body down by throwing the head across, which of course what your head does when you're in the water can make a huge impact. All right, now obviously the frog jump's going to be easy because you'll just sit in your chair and you can either hold the dumbbell this way, which can make the transition easier, or you can hold the dumbbell this way. It just depends on what you feel comfortable with. But remember, straight arms. Everything is with straight arms. There are no bent elbows with any of these movement patterns. So the final demonstration when you show them the combination is 1, 2, 3, center, 1, 2, 3, center, or 1, 2, 3, center, 1, 2, 3, center. And yes, you'll have to work a little bit. Yes, I'm feeling a little bit of activity through my abdominals as I do this. Just remember, hang on to the chair. It's going to help you with staying stable. And thank you, Sharon, for this week's Aqua Tip.